Is your money safe in a bank during a crisis? Discover the crucial steps you need to take to protect your finances and ensure access to your funds in times of uncertainty. The bank crisis is a time of uncertainty and fear for many people. It's a time when the stability of financial institutions is questioned and the safety of people's money is at risk. During this time, it's important to know what to do with your money to protect it and ensure that you have access to it when you need it. In this video, we'll discuss some strategies for managing your money during a bank crisis. Number 1. Keep calm and don't panic. During a bank crisis, it's natural to feel anxious and uncertain about the safety of your money. However, it's important to keep calm and avoid panicking. Panic can lead to irrational decisions that may not be in your best interest. It's essential to remain level-headed and assess the situation before taking any action. One way to keep calm during a crisis is to stay informed. Follow reliable news sources and official government announcements to get the latest information about the situation. Staying informed can help you understand the severity of the crisis and make informed decisions about your finances. Another way to stay calm is to have a plan in place. Develop a plan that outlines what you'll do in the event of a crisis. This can include identifying alternative banking options, having emergency cash on hand, and understanding your insurance coverage. Having a plan can help you feel more in control and less anxious about the situation. Number 2. Keep your money in a federally insured bank. During a bank crisis, it's important to keep your money in a federally insured bank. Federal Deposit Insurance Corporation insures up to $250,000 per depositor per account in case of bank failures. By keeping your money in an FDIC-insured bank, you can ensure that your deposits are protected up to the insured limit. It's important to note that not all banks are FDIC-insured. Make sure to check if the bank you're using is FDIC-insured before depositing your money. You can do this by visiting the FDIC's website or by looking for the FDIC logo on the bank's website or physical branch. Additionally, it's important to keep your deposits within the insured limits. If you have more than $250,000 in a single account, consider spreading your deposits across multiple accounts or banks to ensure that all of your deposits are covered by FDIC insurance. Number 3. Don't withdraw all your money at once. While it may be tempting to withdraw all your money from your bank account during a crisis, it is not recommended. A bank run can exacerbate the crisis and put the stability of the entire banking system at risk. It's important to keep in mind that banks typically keep only a small fraction of their deposits on hand, with the rest being invested or loaned out. Therefore, if everyone tries to withdraw their money at the same time, the bank may not have enough cash on hand to fulfill all the withdrawal requests. Instead, consider withdrawing only what you need for immediate expenses and keeping the rest in the bank. If you do need to make a larger withdrawal, consider doing it in smaller amounts over time to avoid causing a bank run. Additionally, withdrawing all your money at once can put your funds at risk of theft or loss. It's safer to keep your money in a federally insured bank, as discussed in point 2, to ensure that your deposits are protected. Number 4. Don't make major financial decisions during a crisis. It's important to avoid making major financial decisions during a bank crisis. The uncertainty and volatility of the situation can make it difficult to make informed decisions that'll benefit your long-term financial stability. Making impulsive decisions without careful consideration can lead to negative financial consequences. Examples of major financial decisions to avoid during a crisis include selling off investments, making large purchases, or making drastic changes to your investment strategy. Instead, focus on protecting your current assets and avoiding unnecessary risks. Wait until the crisis is past before making any major financial decisions that may impact your long-term financial stability. It's also important to seek professional financial advice during a crisis. A financial advisor can help you make informed decisions that align with your long-term financial goals and avoid decisions that could harm your finances. Number 5. Consider opening a new account in another bank. If you're concerned about the stability of your current bank, you may want to consider opening a new account in another bank. This can provide an additional layer of protection for your funds and reduce the risk of loss if your current bank fails. When choosing a new bank, make sure to select one that is FDIC insured and has a strong financial standing. You can check a bank's financial health by reviewing its financial statements and credit ratings. It's also a good idea to consider the bank's fees, interest rates, and other terms and conditions before opening a new account. You can choose to keep your current account open and transfer funds between the two accounts as needed. This can provide you with more flexibility and access to funds in case of a crisis. Number 6. Consider investing in low-risk assets. During a bank crisis, it's a good idea to consider investing in low-risk assets. Low-risk investments are less susceptible to market volatility and may provide a more stable return on investment. Examples of low-risk investments include government bonds, savings accounts, and certificates of deposit. Investing in low-risk assets can also provide a sense of security during times of uncertainty. By choosing investments with lower risk, you can minimize the potential loss of capital and avoid making risky investments that may harm your long-term financial stability. Keep in mind that low-risk investments may also have lower returns compared to higher-risk investments such as stocks or mutual funds. However, during a bank crisis, the stability of your investments may be more important than potential returns. It's important to consult with a financial advisor before making any investment decisions during a bank crisis. A financial advisor can help you assess your risk tolerance and choose investments that align with your long-term financial goals. Number 7. Seek the advice of a financial professional. If you're unsure what to do with your money during a bank crisis, it's recommended to seek the advice of a financial professional. A financial professional can provide valuable guidance on how to protect your assets and minimize potential losses during a crisis. Financial professionals can help you assess your financial situation, evaluate your risk tolerance, and develop a long-term financial plan that aligns with your goals. They can also provide insights into current market conditions and potential investment opportunities that may be beneficial during a crisis. When choosing a financial professional, it's important to select someone who has the appropriate credentials and experience to provide sound financial advice. Look for a professional who is a certified financial planner, a chartered financial analyst, or holds other relevant certifications. It's also important to establish a good working relationship with your financial professional and communicate your needs and goals clearly. This will help ensure that you receive the best possible advice and guidance during a bank crisis. In times of a bank crisis, it's essential to remain calm and make informed decisions regarding your finances. Strategies shared in this video are all strategies that can help to protect your money. By following these steps, you can ensure that your finances remain stable and secure during a time of uncertainty. Remember, taking the time to assess your options and make thoughtful choices can provide peace of mind and financial stability in the long run. We hope you found this video informative and useful. If you have any comments or questions, please leave them in the comment section below. And don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more amazing content. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.